Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special fish curry recipe for chapati and porotta. We just need only 30 minutes for the preparation of this yummy recipe. Let's move to the video. In a bowl, take 2 cups of hot water. Add 1 kukum star cut into small pieces. Also add 2 teaspoons salt. Mix it well. Soak it for 20 minutes. Keep aside for later use. In a pan, take 4 tablespoons oil and heat it. When the oil is in hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. After mustard seeds splutter, keep it medium flame and add 2 inch-sized chopped ginger, 10 chopped garlics. Saute it for 1 minute. Now add 15 sliced shallots and saute it for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame until it becomes light golden color. Now the color has changed. Keep it low flame and then add half teaspoon turmeric powder, 2 tablespoon chili powder, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder. Mix it well. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Then add kukum star along with soaked water. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves. Change to high flame and cook until it starts boiling. When it starts boiling, add 500 grams of fish cut into medium pieces.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Close the lid and cook for 9 to 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, open the lid. Keep it low flame and add half cup of coconut milk to it. Slowly give a stir. Cook on low flame for a minute. Keep in mind to avoid boiling after adding coconut milk. After 1 minute, switch off the flame. Our fish curry recipe for chapati and porotta is ready. We can also serve it along with rice.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.